Thank you all for being here today to celebrate Tori and Jasper. It's nice to see close friends and family here to share this special day. As parents, today is one of those moments when you realise how quickly time flies. It doesn't seem that long ago that Tori was younger, running around the house full of energy and curiosity, and if we are being honest, quite a lot of chaos.
From the minute Tori was born, she has always been strong-willed, kind-hearted and determined. If she wanted something, she went after it, usually very loudly and very persistent. But she has always had the biggest heart, and we are incredibly proud of the woman she has become.
We knew he was the right one for Tori when we realised he could keep her up with her and still come back for more.
Marriage is a journey. There will be amazing days and there will be challenging ones. But if you face them together with love, patience and a sense of humour, you will always find your way.
Jasper, I give you this ring
as a reminder of my love
as a reminder of my love
and my choice
to
stand by your side
as
your partner in crime,
your partner in crime,
your best friend
and
your biggest fan,
through
every adventure that life throws our way.
I laugh with you
When life is sweet,
when life is sweet.
hold you
When
times are hard,
and
love you through it all,
I love you through it all,
for as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live. Today has been one of the most special days of our lives, and we're so grateful to share it with you.
Your love, support and friendship mean the world to us, and we couldn't have imagined this journey without you.
You don't get to choose your family, and sure did I get lucky with the one I've got. You are my brother by heart, and I feel fortunate to have you in my life. I want you to know how much I appreciate how you treat my sister. I hope you have much fun growing old with her, as I did growing up with her.
I wish him and Tori best in life going forward.
I'm so glad that Jasper found you, Tori. And both of you, like I said in your letter last night, you have both grown so much closer and closer together as time's gone on. And it's just beautiful.